Wynnum Manly up against the Dolphins in 4X Rivalry round of the HostPlus Cup.
Big game ahead.
Here we go, Sunday afternoon, HostPlus Cup football, and it's going to be the debutant Kapinias.
Epel Kapinias with the first try of the game in the 18th minute for the Seagulls.
Goals threatening, and a lovely pass to Kapinias. Kapinias is claiming the try, the debutant for Wynnum Manly this afternoon.
Kalolo Satawa crossing for the Seagulls in the 28th minute.
And Kalolo Saitower is through like Moses parting the sea. Unstoppable that close to the line.
The Seagulls were in again with 6 minutes left in the first half. Mathew Lyons crossing.
Love Henry, who beats a couple, creates the extra overlap, and there is Matt Lyons who's over.
Redcliffe's first try came in the last minute of the first half. The Liami Valia crossing.
Tim out to Cook. Little kick in behind, Boland running through. Oh, the Seagulls got in each other's way, and Billy Army, Valia claiming the 4-pointer.
At the break, Wynnum were in front 18 points to 4. Junior Ratuva crossed for the Dolphins in the 45th minute.
Dolphins here today, plays it. Donovan, there's Simbican, ricochet, bouncing ball, 6 more tackles away here to Ratuva. Junior Ratuva in the corner.
Wynnum had another try. Mathew Lyons with his second of the game.
Murray Martin, Ben Farr in behind. Offload away, dummy there. Oh, salts and candy. Mathew Lyons.
With 19 minutes left on the clock, Tamari Martin helped himself to this 4-pointer.
To the footy, and here's a break here from your man, Warren Lyons. And Lyons is through, he's still going. Mathew Lyons, he puts the foot down, he's got chasers coming inside to Tamari Martin. And Martin scores in front of the Chook pen as Wynnum Manly go coast to coast.
7 minutes later, the Seagulls are in again through Luke Bateman.
Harrison Graham, and having a crack himself here. The crowd likes it. And it's try time. Is it Luke Bateman? Bateman scored for the Seagulls.
A consolation try for the Dolphins when Alessa Katoa crossed in the 70th minute.
Seagulls over the Dolphins. Cook, Fuller, short ball, Katoa. They're over the Dolphins.
And Epel Kapinias had his second try of the game for Wynnum Manly when he scored just before full time.
Harrison Graham. Oh, what about the pass from Graham? And Epel Kapinias has a double on debut. It's party time here at Cougar Eye.
In the end, a big victory for the Seagulls over the Dolphins, 42-14. These highlights thanks to Super Cheap Auto. Peter Basoldis, Queensland Rugby League.